So that's basically the end of this video. All right, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. This is a different type of video that I got going on right now. So basically, as you guys can see, I got the LED light strips for the gaming room. So basically, I open it up, and I'm going to tell you guys how I plan on putting these up. So I got the power adapter right here, the cord for the power adapter, the cord for the RGB lights right here, and of course the lights itself. So these are 64, I think it was 65 by 8, 65.8. So I guess these are 32 feet long each. So I got 2 of them for each side of my room. So, well, the gaming room. So I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on putting these up. So let's get a quick glimpse of them. As you see, you got the 3M tape right there, and you know, regular LEDs. So let's go ahead and put these up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you the area that I'm going to be planning on putting it up. As you can see, I got LEDs on one side of the room already, so I'm going to be putting these ones on the back side, so everything coordinates. I want just the back side field, and then the front side already has LEDs because I put that on the TV. This is the monitor. I don't have any LEDs on the monitor. I got LEDs on my TV right next to me. So I'm going to show you guys where I plan on putting it up right now. Okay, so this is the area that I plan on putting them up. So I'm going to put it up all the way along those walls right there. As you can see, I got the green screen, and I want it to come this way too. So we're just going to see how far I can actually put it. And I'm going to start in the middle because like if I go down, it's an outlet right there. So I'm gonna put one this way, and then we're just gonna go one this way and then one that way. I wish I had like a continuous one, but this is not a continuous. This has actually an adapter for both of them. So I'm gonna put it like that, and we're just gonna do it that way, and hopefully it works out. So I'm gonna go set this up. And I got my, you know, this is early in the morning, so I still got on, you know, my pajama pants and shit like that. So don't get on me in the comments about that. Anyway, I wouldn't give a fuck, but let's go ahead and get it started. look. As you can see, it's the whole room. I'm gonna go back this way. The cord is in the air, but you know, because you gotta fix the outlet. But I didn't want a LED coming down like to the outlet, so I just put the cord in the air. I'll fix that later. But as you can see, I had a little bit left over, so what I did was I just went on and decked out the bottom of my my stand. So as you can see, I got all of that. I had a little bit left over, so I put it down and then put it at the bottom of my computer stand. So as you can see, we got the whole room lighting up. I could change it. Let me change it. Let me see. Okay, as you can see, that's the cord right there. So it is what it is. So let's see. Look at that. Oh, that's crazy, ain't it? What about slow? What about fade? Oh, look at that. So that's basically the end of this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope you guys liked it. Comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the adhesive on these, it works very well. I mean, I didn't have to really clean it off, even though I did. Wipe it down like with just some water and a paper towel, but the adhesive, it sticks. It will not, and just say if I wanted to move my cords, like as you see, I got it in the air. Just say if I wanted to move my cord, so over to this side where everything else is at, and then just put it over here, I could if I wanted to, it would still stick. So as of now, it would just stay over there. It's fine with me. But that's basically the end of this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.